Hey everyone, a scene. You're sitting at your desk, laptop open, trying to transfer crypto. You've got everything ready except for one crucial piece of information, your Newton wallet address. Hook. Ever found yourself staring at your screen, desperately trying to remember where you stored that precious Newton wallet address? We've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton wallets and figuring out exactly how to locate that elusive address. Context. Briefly explain what a wallet address is and why it's important in the crypto world. Think of a wallet address as your unique digital bank account number. It's the key to sending, receiving, and storing cryptocurrencies on the Newton platform. Without it, you're essentially locked out of your digital assets. Understanding Newton wallets. Provide a basic overview of Newton wallets and their different types, e.g., custodial versus non-custodial. Newton offers a variety of wallet options, each with its own set of features and security measures. Whether you're looking for convenience or complete control, there's a wallet type that suits your needs. Finding your wallet address, step-by-step guide. Walk viewers through the process of locating their wallet address within the Newton app or website. Log into your account. The first step is to log into your Newton account using your credentials. Navigate to your wallet. Once you're logged in, look for the Wallet or Portfolio section. This is where you'll find your digital assets. Locate the address. Inside your wallet, you should see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Click on the specific asset you want to send or receive. The wallet address for that asset will be displayed. Visual aids, such as screenshots or screen recordings, can be used to enhance the clarity of the guide. Security tips. Address common security concerns related to wallet addresses. Remember, your wallet address is highly sensitive information. Never share it with anyone you don't trust. Be cautious of phishing scams and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Always verify the recipient's address before sending funds. Backup and recovery. Explain the importance of backing up wallet addresses and recovery phrases. In case you ever lose access to your Newton account, having a backup of your wallet address and recovery phrase is crucial. These act as your insurance policy, allowing you to regain control of your funds. Additional tips. Share additional tips or tricks related to wallet addresses. Consider using a password manager to securely store your wallet address and recovery phrase. Check for any updates to the Newton app or website, as they might introduce new features or security enhancements. Conclusion. Recap the key points discussed in the video. Finding your Newton wallet address is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the security implications involved. By following the steps outlined in this video and prioritizing security, you can confidently manage your crypto assets on the Newton platform. Call to action. Encourage viewers to subscribe and share the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. We'll continue to bring you valuable crypto content in the future. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.